myself, Dr. Ashok Babu, working as professor and head. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about some problems in wave propagation. So the first problem is, so if a wave with a frequency of 100 megahertz propagates in free space, then find the propagation constant. So here the propagation constant is nothing but the gamma, or it is also denoted with P. So P is equal to we have, or gamma is equal to we have alpha plus J beta. Or in another way, we can define the gamma is equal to j omega into root of mu naught into epsilon naught. Gamma equal to j omega into root of mu naught into epsilon naught. So here root of mu naught into epsilon naught is nothing but the here we can define the velocity v naught equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. Therefore, in place of mu naught and epsilon naught, we can write 1 by v naught. So j into omega by v naught. So in the problem, here we have given frequency f is given, f equal to 100 megahertz. Then we need to find out the propagation constant. So here j into omega by v naught, where omega is nothing but the angular frequency, which is 2 pi f. Therefore, j into 2 pi f by v naught. V naught is the velocity of light. Therefore, j into 2 pi into f is nothing but 100 megahertz, 100 into 10 power 6 by 3 into 10 power 8. So here if we cancel the equation, if we cancel the terms, and if we simplify the expression, then we have j into 2.094 per meter. So it is a propagation constant. Then second problem. So if H field is given by, the magnetic field is given by H of z comma t, which is equal to 48 into cos 10 power t plus 40z into ay amperes per meter. And identify the amplitude, frequency and phase constant. Then find the wavelength also. So here the given magnetic field intensity, just like H of z comma t is equal to some amplitude a into cos of omega t plus beta z. Cos of omega t plus beta z. So here if you compare the given expression, so here the amplitude a is equal to 48 and the frequency, angular frequency omega equal to, it is 10 power 8, and the phase constant beta is equal to 40. Okay, therefore from this here we need to find out the amplitude. Amplitude A is equal to 48. Then frequency, we need to find out the frequency. Therefore frequency omega, angular frequency omega equal to 10 power 8. So here omega equal to have 2 pi f equal to 10 power 8. Then the frequency f equal to 10 power 8 by 2 pi. So from this we can find out the frequency. Frequency is 15.915 megahertz. Then beta is equal to 40 radians per meter. Then we need to find out the wavelength also. For wavelength we have the formula. Wavelength lambda is equal to 2 pi by beta. Therefore 2 pi by beta is 40. Therefore the wavelength is 0.157 meters. Then next problem. So when the amplitude of the magnetic field in a plane wave is 2 amperes per meter. The amplitude of the magnetic field is given as H is equal to, we have given 2 amperes per meter. 2 amperes per meter. Then we need to find out determine the magnitude of the electric field. We need to find out E, electric field for a plane wave in free space. Second one, we need to find out the magnitude of the electric field when the wave propagates in a medium which is characterized by sigma is equal to 0, mu is equal to mu naught, and epsilon equal to 4 into epsilon naught. So here we need to find out the electric field intensity for the free space and electric field intensity for a different medium. So here we know that we have the general formula, the ratio of electric field to magnetic field, E by H equal to, we have the characteristic impedance eta naught or eta. So which is equal to 120 pi. Therefore E by H equal to 120 pi. So from this we can find out the electric field intensity E. E is equal to, it is 120 pi into H. H is already given as 2 ampere per meter. Therefore, electric field intensity E is equal to 120 pi into 2. For it is 240 pi volts per meter. 240 pi volts per meter. Then we need to find out the electric field intensity for a different media, which is having mu equal to mu naught and epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught. So then we have the formula, the characteristic impedance eta naught equal to, we have root of mu by epsilon. For mu by epsilon is nothing but mu can be written as mu naught into mu r by epsilon naught into epsilon r. So mu r and epsilon r both are 1. Then we can cancel the mu r and epsilon r. Therefore, root of mu naught by epsilon naught is nothing but 4 epsilon naught. 4 epsilon naught. So, which is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 into root of mu naught by epsilon naught. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 into 120 pi, 120 pi, which is equal to 60 pi. 60 pi. So, where E by H is equal to, we have 60 pi, and E is equal to, we can write 60 pi into H. So, H is again 2. Therefore, E is equal to 120 pi. So, it is an electric field intensity for a different medium. Next one. So, here, if epsilon r equal to 9 and mu equal to mu naught for the medium in which the wave with a frequency of f equal to 0.3 gigahertz is propagating, then we need to find the propagation constant and intrinsic impedance of the medium when sigma equal to 0. So, we need to find out the propagation constant is gamma r p, and we need to find out the intrinsic impedance. Intrinsic impedance is, it is eta. So, we need to find out the gamma and we need to find out the eta. So, here we have the expression for the propagation constant gamma is equal to, the propagation constant gamma equal to root of j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon. So, here we need to assume that the conductivity sigma equal to 0. If conductivity sigma equal to 0, then we have root of j omega mu into j omega epsilon. Therefore, it is root of j square omega square mu epsilon, or it is j omega into root mu epsilon. J omega into root mu epsilon. So, here we have given that epsilon equal to epsilon equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r, but epsilon r is given as 9. Epsilon r equal to 9 is given. Therefore, epsilon equal to, we need to substitute 9 into epsilon naught. And similarly, mu r is given as mu r is 1. Therefore, mu is equal to, we can write mu is equal to, we have mu naught into mu r. Therefore, we can substitute mu is equal to mu naught only. So, epsilon equal to 9 into epsilon naught, mu is equal to mu naught, we need to substitute. Therefore, if you substitute in the same formula, so it is gamma is equal to, frequency is 0.3 gigahertz. So, it is omega is nothing but 2 pi f. It is j into 2 pi into frequencies. It is 3 into 0.3 gigahertz. So, gigahertz means it is 3 into 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8 into root of. So, here mu is given as mu equal to mu naught. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. And epsilon equal to 9 into epsilon naught. Epsilon is nothing but 9 epsilon naught. So, therefore, 9 into 8 epsilon naught is nothing but, it is the epsilon naught value. Epsilon is nothing but, epsilon naught is nothing but 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. So, here if you simplify the expression, the same expression we have gamma is equal to like this. And therefore, gamma is equal to, it is j into 18.8624 per meter. Then next one we need to find out the intrinsic impedance value. Therefore, intrinsic impedance eta is equal to root of j omega mu by sigma plus j omega epsilon. Then if sigma equal to 0, then we have root of j omega mu by j omega epsilon. J omega cancel each other, which is nothing but root of mu by epsilon, where mu is equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 into epsilon naught. Not 4, it is 8 epsilon naught. 8. So 9 epsilon naught. So mu is equal to, already it is given mu is equal to mu naught. We need to substitute mu is equal to mu naught. Epsilon equal to 9 epsilon naught. We need to substitute 9 epsilon naught. Therefore, eta is equal to root of mu naught by 9 epsilon naught. So 1 by 3, take outside 1 by 3 into root mu naught by epsilon naught. So root of mu naught by epsilon naught is nothing but the characteristic impedance eta. Therefore, 1 by 3 into 120 pi. So therefore, 40 pi is the intrinsic impedance of a given problem. Next. So the wavelength of an x-directed plane wave in a lossless medium is 0.225. Is given, wavelength is given 0.25 meters, and the velocity of propagation is given. It is 1.5 into 10 power 10 centimeters per second. Then the wave has jet directed electric field with an amplitude equal to 10 volts per meter. Then find the frequency and permittivity of the medium. So here the medium has mu is equal to mu naught. So here we need to find out the frequency and the permittivity of the medium. So here what are the given? The velocity of propagation is given. So the velocity of propagation is v is equal to, it is 1.5 into velocity of propagation, which is also known as the phase velocity. So it is v is equal to, it is given as 1.5 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second. So if you convert into meters, it is 1.5 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Then the frequency, we need to find out the frequency of a given wave. The frequency of a given wave, f is equal to, we have here v by lambda. Frequency f equal to have v by lambda. Then where lambda is nothing but wavelength. So where lambda is nothing but the wavelength. So it is given as 0.25 meters. 0.25 meters. So 0.25 meters means we can write 25 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore 1.5 into 10 power 8 by 25 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore if you simplify the same expression, we have 0.06 into 10 power 10. So 10 power 10 means 0.06 into 10 power 10 means it is 600 megahertz. The frequency is 600 megahertz. Then we need to find out the permittivity of the medium. So here the permittivity of the medium, to find the permittivity of the medium, we have the formula velocity v equal to 1 by root of mu naught into root of mu epsilon. But mu is equal to, we can write mu naught into mu r. Similarly, epsilon equal to, we can write epsilon naught into epsilon r. So here mu r is nothing but 1. Therefore, the expression is 1 by root of mu naught into epsilon r. Again, so here we have 1 by root of mu naught into epsilon naught is nothing but the velocity. Therefore, the expression can be, it is v naught by root epsilon r. We need to find out the epsilon r value, which is equal to velocity. So velocity is given as 1.5 into 10 power 8. Therefore, so here we can write root epsilon r is equal to v naught by v. Therefore, v naught is 3 into 10 power 8 by 1.5 into 10 power 8. So 10 power 8 cancel each other. Then 1.5 into 2 times. Therefore, root epsilon r equal to, we have 2 and epsilon r equal to, we have 4. So it is a permittivity of the medium. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.